Imagine spending 5 hours every week crafting complex formulas in Excel, only to have them prone to errors and inconsistent results. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to leverage AI for Excel and automate formula creation with ChatGPT, saving you at least 2 hours per week. To get started, you'll need an Excel account with AI capabilities, which is now available on both desktop and online versions. Make sure you have the latest updates installed, as AI-powered features are constantly being improved. If you're already using Excel, the chances are you're eligible for the AI feature upgrade. Simply check your Help menu for more information. Now, let's dive into the magic of ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool allows you to generate and write complex Excel formulas with ease. To access ChatGPT, go to the Formula tab in Excel and click on the AI button in the top right corner. You'll be presented with a simple interface where you can input your formula requirements.